Hey there guys, this is Eric with JC Sweet Tutorials. Today we're going to be talking about a topic that I'm sure you may have come across at some point, losing your password. So maybe you were trying to make a blog post, maybe you wanted to change a picture on your website, but for some reason you just can't seem to remember your password. It's okay, it happens to everybody, but I know it can be frustrating. The good news is there's a very easy way to recover a password or change it in WordPress. All you're going to want to do is go to your top bar right here and put in whatever your website is, /wp admin, as you would normally log on. Now you're going to see the username and password for the back end of your website. This is how you normally log on. Now, if you forgot your username or your password, all you're going to have to do is go to lost your password. It is actually possible to recover either of them. So if you have your username, you can enter it right here, or if you don't have that, you can go to the email address. So the email address will actually give you a link to set everything up, make it all good again. All you're going to do is click that get new password when you enter whichever your preferred option is. And then at that point, you're going to be able to get back into your website. So it's super simple, super easy. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact us at some of our information below. Thanks.